Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm gonna show you guys how to install the wiring for the garbage disposal. This is the kit as well. This part too. This is gonna be the InSyncerator Standard Pro Series Badger 5. Alright, so you're gonna tilt it over. So before I do all this is gonna be kit at Ace Hardware. They do provide military discount too, so make sure you screenshot it. Alright, that should be good enough. Alright, first things first. This right here has grooves on it, on the edge. Let's stick this on here first. I know before I would do this manually before. Make sure you loosen up these screws so the wire can go through that as well. Alright, so this little black part right here. Well, the black screw, my bad, I said the black part. I'm gonna do this right here. It's gonna fall out. Put that to the side. Do this right here for the wire. And it's already labeled green, so you'll be good. Should be 2 wires in here. I don't know where that other wire went at. Let's see. Whoa, where you at? Where you at? Hold on. I had some technical difficulties with the wire. Sorry, this right here. 2 white and black wire. So you feed it through. This part your hardest part. Probably get out the curve. Which this one is. Look, they got that plastic in there, thank God. Put this green thing, screw, right here. I'm doing all the manual labor on this thing. But you guys get the point. Stick it on there. Alright, so these 2 wires. Try to push them out a little bit more. I should have did it the other way. Let me pause it real quick. Alright, I'm back. Got the wires. Had to chase them down. Ran off on me. So, put these 2 wires together. Sometimes these things might be flared up. Just twist it like that. You turn it down. Twist them together. Hit them with the twisty tie. Make sure it's tight. And do the other one like that too. This one's a little flared up. Twist the tie as well. Stick it in there. Unfortunately, I won't be able to install anything, so there's that. Put the screw back. This is the manual labor edition. I don't have the actual wire for the other one. Got no more things. You need to screw this on too. Tighten this down. Make sure you tighten it pretty tight too. So I'm going over. Screw this tab as well. Alright, so there's that. Get like a wrench, tighten up a little bit. Or pliers or whatever like that. Just tighten it down, but there's that. Just gotta install it and that'll be on. So yeah. I just gotta get this install this video tomorrow at my buddy's house and that should be it. Got any questions? Let me know. But yeah, Ace Hardware. This shit right here. Military discount. Comes with the whole kit.